My name is Greg Shondell with Himalaya. Behind me is an Icon, a Series 2 Land Rover reimagined by our team here in Charleston, South Carolina. Today we're going to take a closer look. What we love about the Series 2 is the iconic look. Areas of improvement are serviceability and drivability. So here's a great example of our most modern platform. Under the hood, a brand new GM engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. We put it on a custom chassis with modern suspension, disc brakes, power steering, all are going to lend to a better driving experience and an increased level of serviceability. What you won't see on the final product is a custom wiring harness that our team makes in-house, and we do this for multiple reasons: better performance, but more importantly, serviceability. Under the seat box of any Land Rover is going to be the hub of your electrical system. If you open that seat box, you're going to see the addition of 36 fuses. We're going to add relays. We're going to color code every wire and label it, and we're going to do that for future service in mind. This client chose Grassmere Green, which is the first Land Rover color, finished in satin. So going to give it a bit of a different look with chamois white wheels. There's nothing cooler than a Series 2 Land Rover without a top, but there are those days you're going to need a top. Currently, we've got the sides and the back rolled up. You could simply roll these down, roll the back down, cinch it up, put the door tops on with 2 bolts, and you'll have a nice cozy experience on the inside for the winter months. One of the challenges with the Series 2 is how dark the cabin is when you're getting in it at night. Our team added some interior lighting that's proximity based, so as you get close to the vehicle with the keys and the key fob, you're going to have some nice interior lighting. Our upholstery team made a fantastic interior for this one, finished in a synthetic tan material. It's going to be a marine grade. The client chose an orange accent stitch. It's all hand stitched. Made some beautiful mats to go on the floor that are synthetic and are going to be water resistant. And some amazing door cards are added to not only soften the interior, but it provides another layer of insulation to reduce road noise. In the back, we added a wood floor made of mahogany and ash. Again, our interior team matched the front carpet. We did seating for 6 in the vehicle, so we've got 2 bench seats in the back that fold up out of the way if you need the cargo space. These vehicles, we want to add some technology, but we want to do it in a very discreet way. Inside the center console is going to be a custom audio package, all marine grade with Bluetooth connectivity. It's going to sync up nicely to your smartphone. We have some discreetly hidden USB charging ports. We keep the original gauge bezel, but we're going to upgrade to modern gauges. And we added heated seats with discrete switches just down here to keep you comfortable in the winter months. Now, some things are best left untouched. These beautiful original Lucas wiper motors are going to be painstakingly restored, keeping that classic iconic look. Truly the best part about this one is how fun it is to drive. So I'm going to go drive it.